How to set a static private IP in Azure on a virtual machine using the command line. First, you start by opening the Cloud Shell. We're going to need to get the URI of our virtual machine's NIC. We can do that by using azvm show resource group. Then we pass through our resource group, which is test resource group. Then we pass through our name of our VM, which is test VM NIC sample one. And then we pass through a query, and that query is network profile.network interfaces. And then we output to TSV, and that gives us our URI for our network interface. We're going to need that in a few moments. Go ahead and copy that. And then we're going to do AZ network NIC IP config update. Then we pass through our resource group, which is test resource group. Then we pass through the nickname, which is test VM NIC sample 1236 underscore Z3. Then we pass through the name of the NIC itself. Then we pass through the name of the IP config. We're going to call this IP config 2. And then we pass through the private IP address, just going to be 172.170.0.5. When we give that a second to run, and let's see the output when it's completed. We should now have an additional IP address assigned. So we got resource allocation errors, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the IP was not successfully assigned. Let's go ahead and refresh this page. Let's go back to our network settings, click the NIC again. And when we scroll down, we should see additional IP configurations. And look at that, it is set to 172.170.6 like we did via the command line. And that is it, boys. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or up above at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed. I'm gonna see y'all next video.